And I'm Kevin from Janskid. And today's challenge is a squat rotation with a heel drop. Alex is going to demo the intermediate version. He's going to drop down to a squat, turn one knee into the opposite calf, drop that heel down, extend the foot, point toe for that beautiful finish. Again, one on the other side. Let's see the heel drop down to the ground, fully extended toe, beautiful form for 12 full reps. Now, we're going to do the scale version. For the scale version, we're going to use those beautiful hands of yours to help push off the ground so you can relieve pressure from the knee, from the hip, and from the ankle so you guys can do a nice full rep. Again, guys, don't forget about your daily pistol hold. Knock it off!
You're up next.